someone is working at particular corporate job, and he's getting fired, he's or she is getting fired, or he's got fired. So I think, okay, so in this lockdown, if we lost our job, so we can work for our skills next is, or even we can we can earn another skills during this lockdown, and we can apply for another job, or after sometimes we can apply for another job. But during this lockdown, we should earn some other skills with the help of internet or something else, instead of crying, or instead of we instead of getting getting tension and tensed. So I think we should do the first thing. And second, if you have something, if you are working in a particular field like a coding, okay, so you can share that particular knowledge with the another websites, as we say in before, like sessions, we can share this particular knowledge to YouTube and all. But there are some websites that if you log in that particular websites, I'll tell you after this session. But there are some websites, if you are logging that particular profile, and you have particular show that your experience and your skills on that website, so you will get notified when a particular applicant, whenever a particular user wants your skills for a particular project and for your particular applications. So so with the help so on the basis of our projects, they will charge, and they will pay you some amount. So I think it's another example if you're working in a coding field, because I've worked in that particular field, so that's why. So it's another thing you can do.
Yes, yeah, I agree with Gaurav. But I think who has talent on technology and who has skill on technology, so he can earn. He can be busy in this lockdown, so he can earn money by sitting at home. But actually, those people who has no skill on technology, so for them it's a very hard time because they are not allowed to go outside. I mean, not only them, and nobody is allowed to go outside. So how they will survive? So it's a it's a questionable thing, I think, and it's not possible for everyone. And yeah, I mean, those people who are already being fired from their job, so it's a really tough. Tough things to think. Uh, I mean, what they will do. So this is the question. I think this is the huge question, that what they will do and how can we keep hold our job. I mean, who are not being fired already, who are working on their corporate sector, or other sectors. So, and because nobody knows, and they are not also certain, they are also not sure that will their job will be survive or not. So they are also not certain, and what will happen, nobody knows. So what will happen, nobody knows. And I think in this topic I don't have to say anything, because how can we say that what should they do in this lockdown? I mean, if they are, if people are being fired, so they will definitely try to other option to survive, I think. So it's depend on every individual. So who are victims, so they will definitely try to find out the second option, that how they survive.
Okay, okay, okay. Vicky?
Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah, so as we are talking about like how to protect our job from being fired. So if we, as Jalaluddin said, if we have talent, we have a skill, so we can do anywhere job. We can do job anywhere, and we are expected to do better. So we will be, if we have talent and experience there, then we will be given priority, first priority. Then so they can think, they can delay in firing us, they can fire anyone else instead of firing us. But it's up to them only. We can't do anything. We can do we can do only we can strike. But mostly people cannot support us because they also get scared of losing their job. So we can't go against industrialists or whom with under whom we are working, whether it's so like
Yeah.
any kind of manager. So we will, first of all, we need to put impression over them. How can we mm, make them happy? And but if they are, if they have already made up their mind, like I'm going to uh, fire him or them, then they will definitely do what, no matter what we are doing, how much effort we are putting, they are they are gonna mm, mm, fire us. So all we have to do is to just, we are completely depend on them. But if we have skill and talent, experiences, then we can work anywhere. But when it comes to like these days, amid corona pandemic, then no one, even
Mhm.
no one's parents don't expect them to go outside to, in order to join any company or
You
any
know,
office.
Vicky, Vicky, I think we don't have to do nothing because we are the, I mean, like a humans are like, servants of circumstance. So nowadays we are the servant of circumstance. So this is the
Yeah,
situation. You can't blame anyone. If you are being fired by your company, so you can't blame your company, so your owner, your boss, because they compel to, fire you.
yeah.
So
And
they have no
sometimes
second
they,
option. No, they have no second option because they also want to, like, survive their business. They also so
Hmm.
that's why I think they also
Right.
compel.
yeah, and
That's
they
why.
can also they can also not provide us salary without getting
Yeah.
the work done,
Exactly. Yeah.
and
Exactly.
for the
That is the
lunch time.
reason. That is the
Yeah,
reason. Just because everything is shut down, they don't afford to get, to provide salary every single employee. Otherwise, they have to pay from their, pocket. So
yeah,
that's why they are firing. Like if there are 100 employees, so they will fire 50 employees, and they will, keep the
yeah,
50 employees. So this is how
yeah. And
what they are
main
doing.
important thing, most important thing, if someone just started running any kind of business or any
Hmm.
industry, then it's going to be difficult for them if they are providing without getting any kind of work done.
Revenue.
Yeah,
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 exactly. And like,
because yes,
you
yes, I
know,
think
all,
yeah, yeah.
and this is, and the reason everyone knows, just because of lockdown, even people can't, like they can't order the product nowadays. It is okay. I think I think we can easily, like we can order any product through online. But like before 2 and 3 months, like before 1 month, it was not possible even to order online product. Everything was closed
yeah,
that
exactly.
time totally. Not, like there was no any product going outside, and public are also not, like in a market. So everything is just one place. Nothing is, no one is
Yes, yes.
purchasing, no one is
Mhm.
selling,
That's
Yeah,
the point.
even,
Yes,
so
and
Dhruva, yes, yes.
even they are not taking the in large amount of product.
yeah,
Yeah, that's the
exactly,
point. Yeah, yeah.
exactly,
That's the
yeah.
point. I think
Only taking daily needs, like daily needs which we can eat, and which is required. Otherwise nothing. We also don't have option at that time. Everything was closed except grocery shop and general stores.
Yeah, yeah, and they are trying to minimize the number of workers and employees so that they cannot get infected with coronavirus.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, this is also a reason.
actually,
And
no, no,
that,
I think, yes, Dhruva, I think, main point is, I think why the company is compelled to fire their employee, because if they are not going to fire, so they will able to produce their product, but they will not able to sell the product. So that's the main, actually, I think, main reason, because they have
yeah, this
product,
is the main reason. Yeah,
but they are not able to
I
sell product.
think I think like, when I'm a owner, if I have my employees, it is also again my responsibility for 1 and 2 months. If there is a circumstance that I have to pay from my pocket, and if I'm able to pay, we must try to do. Some companies has also, if you have seen, they didn't fire their employee, but what they did, they just, uh, giving salary one third, one third
They
to the all the
deducted.
employees. Yeah, they
Yeah,
deducted. So this is how there is no need to fire all the people. Like, now, in a place of one people, they are giving three people salary. if they have to fire like 50%, now no need to fire. So this is also, I think, good step that even
Dhruv,
if our, yeah, Gaurav.
yeah, so I want to add one point. If we are owner, right, and we can do one
Right.
thing for if something happen like this in the this pandemic, like situation in the future. So we can do one thing. If we can, from starting, we can save little money from each and every employee for this kind of situation, and we can give them in that particular situation. If let's example, if I am owner and giving a particular person salary like 50,000. So with the help of that, I'll be taking 1,000 for each month, okay, from the particular salary of that employee. And if after 1 year this particular situation like pandemic happened, so with the help of that fund, I have have fund that I've saved from the with the help of that person. Okay, so I will give to them. I'll give it to back them. You understand my point? What
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
talking?
exactly. That
And
they
Nabil,
also,
I think, yeah,
they also
we are,
save as a PF, I think, right? Maybe if
and
you know.
Nabil say something because I think we are about to running out our time.
Yeah, Nabil, please
No,
say.
no, we are not running out of our
No, we
time.
have
Yeah,
time
we
as
have a
well.
time. We have a
Yeah, I
time
Right?
think
today.
I
I
don't know.
think
I don't
Naveen
know
just started in
what is the
2:45.
system
I
today.
think
I
he
don't know.
started.
Yeah,
Nabil,
exactly. I
please.
think
Please continue, Nabil.
we have for 20 minutes, right, Nabil? Maybe.
Yeah,
Okay,
no.
okay.
Yeah,
I don't know the
more than
system today. Yes, yes.
Okay,
more than
okay.
10 minutes.
Okay, don't worry, but I wanna say one thing that if I am employee and if I think that it's gonna be happen that maybe I'm gonna be danger regarding to my job. So what should I do? What am I supposed to do? I think firstly we have to update myself because we can't do anything because we have been facing this
Mhm.
pandemic and we can't change this scenario. So we have to change ourselves because I have control only myself, not for others, my boss, my company, or whatever I do. So I can't change it, but I can change myself. It is on my hand. So what should I do?
Hmm.
I can
Yes,
improve our some skills. I can be better.
exactly.
So we have to work ourselves. That is the thing. Because if you think about the government should do it, or company should do it, or boss should do it, so it's not be happen. So we can work ourselves. We
Yeah.
can improve our communication. We can improve our specific skills, whichever in which sector we are doing job, like as a teacher. So I can increase our pedagogy, I can increase some information which I have major like English, so I can increase my English knowledge. So whatever I can do, I just do these things because otherwise if I think that government should do this thing and it's not gonna be happen, so it's not possible for us. So we can do this thing because it's an unprecedented situation, no one can face it before. So it is, we can't
Hmm.
say that something is doing wrong or right because it's the first time. Because if you talk about private schools, I know, but government said that private schools, they shouldn't take the fees from guardians. But if they don't take fees, so how they pay the teachers, private teachers? They don't go with their own pocket, so they have to collect money, then they can give that money to their teachers. So it is the problems of all their owner as well. So we have to work
Yeah.
together and we have to cooperate each and other time for every purpose, because no one can survive without helping. So we have to help and we have to show companionship in there in this time, I think.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone is
Yeah.
absolutely.
facing the. Yeah, everyone is
Yeah,
facing difficulty.
we can
Yes.
change ourselves, and we know that next maybe after 2 3 months later, so we will get chance next time. So that
Yes.
time we can execute our
Exactly.
talent that time, and we can our like utilize our talent. So you will
Right.
definitely get the chance. So you should not like break down. You should not break down. Try to be strong and be positive. I mean, those people
Right.
who
even
are being
even
fired.
if we are,
So
yeah,
yeah.
even if we are updating ourselves, or if we are adding some skills in our ourselves, so what would happen? At least we are in a better place now. At least if there are employee gonna fired, so there are also some employees which they keep. So they keep those employees which have a more and more skill. I mean, they can take a work from
Exactly.
that people, and they
Agree.
also don't need to give much more money. So if we have more skill, at least we are now in a better position.
Right.
So I think,
They like
Yeah.
and I will.
we can add new skills,
Yeah,
not
exactly.
only in our field. As we all know,
Yeah,
whether
exactly.
we add skill or not, it is totally depend on the product of the company, that if it will be gonna sell, they will keep you just because now they are getting money. Otherwise, they will fire you no matter if they are not getting single penny. They are gonna collapse.
Mhm.
So what will happen? They will close their company. They will,
Company will
so
bankrupt.
yeah, definitely company gonna
Will get
bankrupt
bankrupted. Yeah.
in a bankruptcy. So what we can do nowadays? It's a era of technology. Okay, we all know. So if, if we need to develop our skill in a digital marketing, in a web development, these are skills which don't take more than 2 or 3 months. Okay, so again, like now we even employer working in company just because they're working from their home, they have more time. They have more time to enhance their skill to and to work. So they can at least add some new work skills. So if
Right.
they got fired, so for few months at least they can work as a freelancer. This is also what trend of
Exactly.
nowadays. A person who were working as a freelancer, they don't need to think like this. Oh, if I will lose jobs, what will happen?
Right.
They still have a work just because people are also working. You have to they also working like before 3 and 4 months from their home, and now they are also working. So this is also one option that we can keep. We can keep
Exactly.
in our skill and in our work.
Right.
So it
I
will
want
And
to
give
add
a
one
little
thing,
bit less
Andrew.
stress. All right, Gaurav.
Yeah, so as a new education policy of 2020 get released yesterday,
yeah.
and in that first thing they said that up to the class 6 or up to the grade 6, each and every person need to learn a coding. So in this
Yeah,
pandemic, we should learn one thing. We can't rely on one sources of income. So we should have another skill. But I think we should consider to learn something coding like thing. We should learn code
right,
or
bro.
we should learn something IT thing, because IT things or IT skills are in the lifetime we will get a lot of chances, or we will get a lot of freelancer jobs and projects. So I think we should learn coding, and as a yesterday education policy, that particular policy emphasis on coding too. So that's why coding skills too important if we want to survive. And at least I'm not talking about 1 lakh rupees we will get, but at least
Mhm.
we will not we will not we will not as like unemployed. We will do something. We will get experience from that, and at least we will have some projects to work on. So yeah, so I think that will be helpful.
Right.
Yeah,
And
Yeah,
and
I would
first
like.
of all,
Uh-huh.
yes, yes, Nabil, yeah, Nabil,
Yeah,
Nabil,
I
no,
would
no,
like
finish,
to.
finish.
I
Go.
would like one thing, like that if you do work any specs in any field, if you are doing job as a government or as a private sector, whatever do, or if you are running your business, own business, so you have to good command in two things. First one is English. If you have a good command in English, so it is gonna be helpful. And second thing is technology, especially if you have a good
Hmm.
knowledge regarding to technology or everything, because it is the base thing. If you have these two things, if you can work in these two things, so you can definitely do very well, because it's the time, need of time, you can say. Because if you have a good command in English, and if you can easily work in your with your laptop or with your internet, you can utilize it in a good way. So it is necessary in all the aspects. So it is the basic things, you can say. So firstly, you have to work, you
Absolutely.
have to grab these things in a good way. Yeah.
Absolutely. And yeah, one thing I want to say that, I mean, those people who are already being fired from their job. So I think they should, proud of themselves, because if they are safe, because still they are alive and they are not getting like, coronavirus, because this could be more like, dreadful and deadly, like, pathetic and miserable for you. So yeah, because you have lost your job, not your life, right? And those people are maybe some people are feeling like stress, and they are just thinking about their job. So I think we first of all we should proud of ourselves that yeah, I'm safe, I'm not getting the coronavirus, and I am saving my family as well as. So you will definitely get the chance. I think you can, because your life will be not like stopped. You can survive. So and you have like you have so many paths. So just depend on yourself. How are you, like taking the situation?
Okay, I wanna
I
one
think
thing,
with the
a gift
Mhm.
from Zoom.
yeah, yeah,
Running out of time, we have removed the 40 minutes time limit on your group meeting. Oh my God, it's my first time, and Zoom
yeah, yeah,
neglect
I
it.
got
That's
I
that's
got
why
that
I have
message
said
too.
no. That's why I that time I told you that guys, maybe we are about running.
Zoom said that I will not confine you only 40 minutes. You can run your meeting as much as you can. We are
It's just
removing the time.
because
Yeah,
It's my first
you are
time.
just
hosting first
because
time.
I
That's why.
first time.
Yeah,
That's why. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
maybe
Okay,
that's
okay,
and
okay.
so,
Yeah,
so
I
we
think
can
we
you
can.
know
try.
also
We, we can
you
try
know
I think we
every
also
can
like
talk
every
for
week.
an
Yes.
hour.
yeah,
Hmm.
exactly.
And
Whenever we create first time, we can go more than an hour.
so it's a great thing. So and one thing, everybody, I would like to inform you. Maybe from tomorrow I will be not able to join with you guys because and yeah I told already to Nabil that I have
Hmm.
to go home because of my Eid